In the name of who? Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all of you, wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time now is 11 minutes past 12 p.m. Date is Tuesday, 16th of July, 2024. Today I'm going to upload this video regarding what I have said for last 2 weeks since 1st of July and the level and the direction of the currency pair and Bitcoin and gold I gave you before since last 2 weeks. We're going to go through those things and just to see what we have said, how many percent of those things was correct. I started with this video, which is 2 weeks ago. As you can see here, I upload for you guys. There was some currency and also gold, and there was part 1 when everything happening and some of the pairs actually hit them target. I make a part 2. You can watch them, these 2 video, and these are for the Bitcoin, but I'm going to go through all of them and just see what we have said is correct or not. Before I do that, as always, please pause the video and read this, and then I go to the chart and I explain. On the part 2 of that 2 weeks ago, this one, which is this one 12 days ago, I have mentioned that those things I tick. You can watch the part 2 and you see that I was correct. And the one I did not tick, I said it still is valid, and we are waiting for the price coming to those area that I mark it up, and then we will see what happen. So for the pound Australia, did not happen at that time. New Zealand CHF was not happening. Pound Canada, the sell was correct, but for buy was not happening. Euro Canada was not happening, but for the gold, sell and buy was happening. If you want to see what I have said and I tick them, you can watch the part 2 of those video, and part 1 and that part 2. Let me go to the one has not happening. For pound Australia, which 2 weeks ago I mentioned is for buy and sell. We go to the chart, pound Australia. Let me find the pound Australia. As you can see, date here is 1st of July. Look at this. Look at my mouse. 1st of July. I gave you 2 levels. One was for sell, one for buy, and the price was here when I make the video. And I mentioned that if price coming to our selling zone, which is this area, then we can sell it to TP1, which is this price. And if price keep continue coming down to TP2, taking profit 2, and pass through here, then we can buy it again to this level. Okay, this one was for sell and this one for buy. And as I have mentioned to you before, when I make the part 2, this one was still not happening. That's why I did not tick it for you, but I want to go through it now after 2 weeks just to see what's going on. So this is pound Australia 50 minutes time frame, and this one was 1st of July and today is 16th of July, 2 weeks ago. So price was here when we make the video. Price when hit that level, we need to see price going above to selling zone, okay, in this area. I just keep going just to see what's happening. Alright. As you can see, each time price hit those levels that I find you for you guys, market would react to that level. You can see. But my aim is this. I need to see price coming to selling zone. Then I enter to the trade for sell for this one, this level and this level, which is this price and this price. And then if it comes to this area, we buy. Okay. Let's see. Each time hit that level, bounce down. Okay. Still okay. When market went above these 2 levels, then we can sell it to this level for TP1. We have a signal to sell. Okay, we could put the stop loss here. Market came and hit that level. Okay, and now market is up. So if in case price coming past again these two levels, all right, then we can buy. So for the sell has happening already here. Okay, price came to the selling zone as I have mentioned to you on 1st of July. Okay, I said if price come into selling zone, we can sell it to this level first, and 70% of the time you can watch my video all the time. I have said this, when market hit TP1 would bounce back up again, because opposite direction, and then eventually would come back again. Okay, this one I have mentioned on those video again and again. You can watch them, you can see what I have said before, it was correct. So on 1st of July we mentioned this, we give you the level, we give you the location, we give you the direction, everything, and still for buying is valid because market did not come past through these two green line. Okay, as you can see, price came on 12th of July, sorry, 11th of the July, market went above to selling zone, we got a signal to sell, and market came and hit this level. Okay, I tick it, make the color more, make it black, which it hit, and as I have mentioned before, market would bounce back up again as soon as hit the TP1, it goes opposite direction and it went up. So the price is here now, all right, and now is 16th of July. If price come back past these two lines, then I can buy it to this level. So this is the opportunity to buy, because the sell already has been happening here that I showed you before. So if price come and pass these two red line, come into this area, we can buy. If price continue and pass these two green line, then again there is opportunity for us to buy to this level first as a TP1, taking profit 1, and if price going past this second line, coming to buying selling zone, then we can sell it to this level. I have said this before on 1st of July. You can watch, you can see those level still is there. Everything I have said, I have not changed it. Okay, so that was for pound Australia. That was for pound Australia. So for sell it happened, so I have to take this one later on. I will do it. So we go for New Zealand CHF. What we have said, New Zealand CHF. New Zealand CHF, again, as you can see, the date is 1st of July. I mentioned we need to see the price coming past this two green line, coming to buying zone. Then when we get a signal, green signal like this in this area, we can buy it to this level of TP1, taking profit 1. If price continue past TP2 to the selling zone, we can sell it back again to this level, 0.54496. So this is the prediction I did for you 1st of July. Today is 16th of July. Let's see what happened. Okay, market has not, yep, you see market came, hit that level, did not come through here. Okay, hit that level, we got a signal, and this is missing. We cannot enter to this trade, already has been happening. And then market went up and hit this level. So we got a signal to sell. Look at this, we could enter to the trade for selling, and if we enter here, this is going to be 24 pip. So you put 10 pip above, or it's up to you how you do your stop loss. If you put 2 to 1, or you do ATR or whatever, as I have mentioned here on 1st of July. Okay guys, I said if price come in hit this level, we can buy to this level, and then if it comes to selling zone we can sell it. Okay, as you can see, price came when on 10th of July, came, hit the level. We missed that one because it's not worth it to enter because it did not come in right away, but anyway, came here for sale. We could have the opportunity to sell it, and market came and hit that level. As I have mentioned again and again, when price hit the TP1 would bounce back up again. It goes up opposite direction. You can see that went up, then we had other signal to sell again, come back and sell, hit that level again for the second time. Okay, and bounce back up again, came to buying zone again. We got a signal to buy to this level, TP1 and TP2, and we had a signal again to sell, and price is here right now. Okay, so three times hit those level I find for you guys on 1st of July, and you can see this is 15th of July, it was yesterday, and market hit those level again and again. So I was correct, thanks God, Yahoo. So let's go see what happened to other things. That was for New Zealand CHF is correct. Then we had pound Canada for sale was correct, but for buy we were waiting to come to the area. Let's see what pound Canada telling us. Pound Canada, as I have mentioned, for sale was correct, and price was there, and price went up and hit that level. You're probably telling me, okay, there is no signal to sell. You are correct. I would not enter for sale because I don't have, but if I'm desperate for any trade, I would change the time frame, which normally I don't do it. If we go to 5 minutes time frame from 15 minutes time frame, let me show you this. We go back to the date. Okay, all right. So if you go back to the date, you can see we had a signal here to sell, we had a signal here to sell. Okay, I show you this. We had signal, we could put the stop loss there, ATR, then market would hit in 5 minutes, which I'm not doing it. If I'm in 15 minutes, I stick at the 15 minutes time frame anyway. But we had another signal in this case scenario. We had another signal. We could enter here, and market would come and hit. Okay, but what I have predict for you guys, I was on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, and price was there. All right. And I have said if price come into the selling zone, which we had a signal, this is not going to be any more valid, but again we had correct, market hit that level, and market went down and bounced back up again, and now price is here. Okay, so for the sale I was correct, which I make the video for you guys before, and still we are waiting, okay, for the price coming to this area. Okay, price is here now. Let me mark it. If price coming past these two green line, all right, then this one still is valid for buy for TP1, and then TP2. Okay, this is still valid, and if price pass this green line, then we can sell it to this level. Okay, so I make those things for you just in case. But for the sale, as I have mentioned to you guys before, it was correct. So and I tick it for you. So this one was for the pound Canada. This buying still is valid, alright, for the sale is done, finish. So let's see what I have said again for other things. For Euro Canada, okay, that was for buy. At that time it was not actually happening. Let me go to Euro Canada just to see. Euro Canada, the price was here when we mentioned. Let's see if price came or not. No, price still need to come to that area, so we need to see the price coming to this area. This level still is valid, alright. You have to be patient because I forecast this one 2 weeks ago, and I'm not gonna rush for any trade. I will wait. When price come past this 2 green line, then I enter the trade to buy for this level first, TP1, taking profit 1. If I'm greedy, then I go for taking profit 2. And if price pass this 2 green line, okay, I'm coming to this area of selling zone, then I can sell it. So I have 2 opportunity, one for buy twice and one for sell on here. So this one done. So this is still valid, alright. And then for the goal was correct. So this one was, I mentioned on 1st of July 2 weeks ago, and I did for the Bitcoin for you guys. That was on 7th of July. Date is here. For the Bitcoin I make part 1, part 2 and part 3, and everything I have said about Bitcoin was correct. Let me see what's happening to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was here, and I entered to the trade in front of you guys if you watch my video. So I actually had an entry point, and I make the video for you guys, and let me show you. I had 2 entry, one for sell to this level of TP1 and TP2. This is my entry point. You can see this red line, which was entry. We enter for sale, and we make the profit. We came out of the trade with a profit, and we had one for buy to those level, and these was a stop loss. This one is stop loss for sell, and this one was a stop loss for buy. I explained to you guys on those videos. You can watch them. I don't need to repeat it again for you guys. But let me see. I have said to you before, eventually market gonna go up, hit this yellow line, and as soon as it goes to this area, market would go and we can sell it to this level of 60,700. This is American dollars. Don't forget, this broker is US dollar, is not Australian dollars. So $60,707.36 American dollars. Okay, I mentioned that price if eventually would go and hit this level of yellow line, which is 61,133 American dollars again. So for sake of the video, when I was making exit the trade for the buy here, and I made a part 2 and part 3 to show you that what I'm doing is live account, is live chart. So, and as soon as I did that, and I show you that I came out of the trade with a profit, entry, we had another entry here. So for the TP1, which was this level, TP1, taking profit 1, 59,190. Market hit, and as I have always say, when market hit the TP1 would bounce opposite direction. As you can see, bounced down, came down all the way, and we had signal again to buy. As you can see, we had a couple of signal to buy again to this level of TP1. Okay, each time market hit those level that I gave you before would react to that level. Okay, so you see this react to that level. You see this one, and then we had a couple of signal again to those level, and market hit TP1, TP2, TP3, which I gave you all this level before, TP2, TP3 and TP4. Okay, and when up hit the level, the yellow line I have mentioned, as soon as hit the level and came and hit, we could sell it to this level. You see this one, market came and hit this level, as I have predict for you. What was that, 8th of July, how would happen. Okay, and this happened on 15th of the July, just hold a second one. So on 15th of July it happened exactly what I have mentioned. When he hit the yellow line and gonna come back, we could sell it to this level. Please look what I have mentioned to you guys. So this one, I said price, it was here, I said if price coming up to this level, we could sell it to this level of 60,700, and you can see this one happening. Sorry, my throat, let me get the water. Sorry, I just had to get the water. Anyway, the prediction I did for you guys for last 2 weeks, I went through it, and what I have said on the 1st of July and 7th and 8th of July for the Bitcoin and the other currency came true. In the name of who, thanks God. Please pause the video and read this before you go. If you are interested to learn how to trade, please go to our social channel. We got YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. You can watch those videos, and we give you a free signal. Don't forget, we are not signal company. This is only education and information side. Whatever we do is purely educational. We are not responsible for your action. If you like to learn, please open demo account, try it, our signal. If you are happy and if you learn how to trade, then you can do it with your real account and real money, but we are not responsible for your loss or gain. So in case of you want to know what we do, you have to watch those videos. You need to sit down and watch those videos. We are not asking you for membership or telephone number or email as such, or nothing. We do not even, I don't care if you like it or dislike it or comment, nothing. So watch the video just to see how you can learn from us or from other people. So maybe it would be a second income for you guys. But all this video that I did, which is 323 video, these are live account and live chart. You can watch them, we see what we do and how we do it. So in the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. What I have said since 1st of July now to today, which is 16th of the July, came true. Thanks God. Yahoo. If I find any level for other things, I'm gonna do it for you and make this other video, and I give you the location and the prediction for different level for the Bitcoin or other crypto coin or currency. I'm gonna close this video. Yahoo. Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.